Hey, you need to settle down. It's time to get ready for bed.
We've got a lot of farts, Jackson. Jackson.
Tell Mommy.
I got waterfalls.
You do? You got what?
Tell her again. Tell Mommy.
I got waterfalls.
Yes, you do.
Shall I put your lion blanket on?
Yeah.
How many farts do you have?
How many farts do you have?
5.
No, you didn't say 5.
Oh, look at that big table bacon.
Yeah.
I got to stay there.
Okay. I'll help you. There. Straighten up that side right there.
Okay.
Right there.
No, I can stop on it.
That's Mommy's pillow. Uh-oh. Unplugged it.
Hey! Santa Claus!
Wow! Look!
And when they come by and see, they need sunglasses.
And I'm real happy with it. I couldn't be more pleased.